Welcome to IPCA, a leading global institute in accounting, finance, management, and IT training. We offer industry-relevant programs in bookkeeping, financial accounting, and cost and management accounting, along with hands-on training in top accounting softwares like Tally ERP or Prime, QuickBooks, Peachtree, Myob, Joho Books, Focus, Odoo, and SAP. Level up your IT skills with our expert-led courses in Microsoft Office, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Advanced Excel, MS Project, and Power BI. Pursue professional excellence through our management courses in project management, marketing, HR, logistics and supply chain, and Islamic banking and finance. We also offer academic tuitions for intermediate, BCom, BBA, MCom, and MBA, plus specialized training for document controller roles and global certification in USCMA. Whether you are a student or working professional, IPCA equips you with the skills to succeed in today's competitive world. Join IPCA. Contact 9246884200.